Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Our next topic to calculate the square root of a number. To calculate the square root of a number, we apply the traditional method, and second, we can calculate the square root of a number by fast track method. For example, to calculate the square root of 6889 by traditional method, first we select the fears, and to after that we have to apply the traditional method for the calculation of this number. So first we have to multiply a number with itself to the such that the product of that number with itself is equal to 68 or less than 68. Now when we multiply 8 with 8, the number is 64. 8 multiplied by 8 is equal to 64. And when we multiply 9 with 9, the number is 81. 81 is greater than 68. Therefore we select the number 8 such that multiply 8 with 8, the result is 64. The remainder is equal to 4. And after the simplification, we have double this number, that this 8, this number is 8, and double this number, that is we multiply 8 with 2, the result is 16. And this number, we select this number and write it here, that is 4 is the remainder, and 89 is the next sphere we select and write it here. Now we multiply this number by another number such that the multiplication of that number with the number is equal to 489 or less than 489. For the next step, when we multiply is we have to select a number and write it here. If the number is 3, if we select the number 3, then multiply 3 with 3. The multiply 163 with 3, the result is 918 borrow 1, and 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So the next number is when we multiply 163 by 3, the number is 489. The remainder is 0. Therefore in this case we can decide that the root of 6889 is equal to 83. To calculate the same number, the root of 6889 by fast track method, by apply the second method. First we have to calculate the square of the number 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 10, and the square of 1 is 1, and the square of 2 is 4, the square of 3 is 9, and so on. And we select the unit number, the unit number of the square of the number, that is the unit of this number is 1, the unit of this number is 4, the unit of this number is 9, the unit of 16 is 6, the unit number of 25 is 5, and so on. And as we select in a traditional method, we select the fears, and after that select the unit number of the first sphere, that is 9. 9 is the square of a number, that is we check that the 9 is the number which we obtained from the square of 3 and from the square of 7. So this number, the maybe 3 or maybe 7. So the unit number 9 of the first sphere is either is the square of 3. That is, this unit number is obtained from the unit 3 square is equal to 9. The unit number of 9 is 9, and the unit number of 7 whole square is equal to 49, and the unit number of 49 is 9. Therefore, this number maybe we select 3 or 7. That is 89. The unit number of the in the last digit is either 3 or 7. To check the next number, the next sphere, that is 68. So we have to check that this number is the square of a number or less than, this number is less than the number which is obtained from the this number is greater than the number which is obtained from the square of a number. So 68 is greater than 64 and is less than 83. Therefore, in this case, we select that for this number, we select that 8 is the square of 8 is 64. 64 is less than 68, and multiply this number 8 by 9. After the simplification, we have 8 multiply by 8 is the square of 8 is 64, and 64 is less than 68. This number is near to 68, and 81 is greater than 68. Therefore, we select 8 and multiply 8 by the next number. The next number of 8 is 9. The number is 72. This number, if this number is greater than 68, or if we can say, in other words, we can say that if 68, this number is less than, if 68 is less than 72, this number, then the number, the next number, this will be 88, and the number select from these two extreme numbers will be the number according to this condition. If this number is less than this number, then the smaller number will be the result. That is the square root of 6,889 will be equal to 83.